Do you also own a catering service and looking forward to grow it and connect with all of your customers over WhatsApp and share them your food variety, service and price all on WhatsApp? But doing everything manually will be a very time-consuming and hectic process. So let's ease out this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Hey guys, welcome to Pabbly. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to broadcast WhatsApp message for your catering service, and that too in just 3 easy steps. In step 1, message template is created. In step 2, broadcast is created using message template, and in step 3, scheduled messages are sent. So now without any delays, let me take you to my screen and show you how it works.
Welcome back to my screen, chefs. Now before telling you how to create a broadcast WhatsApp message for your catering service, let me give you a quick real-time example of how it works and how easily you can send WhatsApp messages to a predefined list of contacts through broadcast, which is perfect for announcement, promotion and timely update. Now I'll directly take you to my screen and show you how it works. So here, as you can see, I have received this broadcast WhatsApp message. Hi Nishi Rawat, that is my name. Are you planning for an unforgettable event? Let us serve you something truly special with our royal wedding feast meal. Catering package starts from $6.99 per guest. Also, they have sent me a little menu, that is paneer tikka shots, butter chicken with naan and mini dessert, which is perfect for wedding and corporate events. Also, they have mentioned the available dates, that is 15 to 31st August 2025. Also, they have sent me their base location, that is Lal Ghati, Bhopal. And to make it more interactive, they have given me a call to action for contact us. Similarly, like this, if you also own a catering service business, you can create a broadcast message and share your customer all the details like this with just few easy steps. Let me tell you how to create it. Before moving further, let me give you a quick brief about the Pabbly community. It is the community where business owners and tech mind connect, share their work, solve problem together and grow with real support and the ideas from like-minded people. To join this community, we have the link given in the description. For creating a new broadcast message, you have to go on this new tab option. Here on the search bar, you have to search pabbly.com/chatflow and enter it. Now we are directed towards this page. Here on this page, you can see this option, sign up for free. It is for new user, and as I already have my account, I'll directly sign in. Now we are directed towards this page. Here we have to scroll down, come to this Pabbly Chatflow option and click on this Access Now button. Here on the top right hand side corner, we have this Add WhatsApp number, which will help us connect our WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have two ways to connect it. One is WhatsApp Connect and second is Manual Token Connect. To know how to connect your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow, we have separate videos made. You can go out to our YouTube channel and watch them. Now coming to the left hand side of our Pabbly Chatflow dashboard, here we have some icons over here. Firstly, let me tell you what is dashboard. Dashboard where we can overall view statistics, manage WhatsApp number and access folder. Secondly, we have inbox. Here we can see and respond to WhatsApp messages from user in real time. Third one is contact. Here we can manage our contact list and view detailed profile. Fourth one is team queues. Here we can assign chats to specific team members and manage support queues. Fifth one is templates. Here we can create and manage message templates approved by WhatsApp. Here on sixth number, we have broadcast message, where we can send bulk WhatsApp message to multiple contacts using template. We'll be using this today. Now on seventh number, we have flows. Here we can build and automate chatbots flows for WhatsApp conversation. On eighth number, we have AI assistant. Here we use AI tools to enhance customer response and automate replies. On ninth number, we have activity logs, where we can view logs of all our recent activities and system operation. On 10th, we have settings. Here we can configure account, business profile and integrate settings. On 11th, we have get help option, where we can access support, resources, tutorial and customer assistant. Now let me teach you how to create a broadcast message. So for that, firstly, we have to go on this broadcast option. Here on the top right hand side corner, you can see this button, add broadcast. So here we have to click. Now we are directed towards our WhatsApp broadcast page. Here we have this option for select broadcast type, broadcast name, also select the contact. Now let me tell you how to create a broadcast message from here. As I have mentioned earlier, broadcast message is perfect for announcement, promotion and timely update. So moving forward, we have to select broadcast type. So we'll click on this box and select broadcast campaign as type. Moving forward, we have to give a name to our broadcast. So I'll give it as broadcast message for your catering service. Now we have this select contact list option. We have to click on this box and select all unassigned contact. You can select as many contacts as you want. Moving forward, we have this select message type. Here we have two categories, pre-approved template message and regular message. Pre-approved template messages use templates approved by Meta, and for regular messages, we use regular message. So today we'll move forward with pre-approved template message. So we have to click on this button to select the template. Select WhatsApp template like this, and as you can see, this list display all the WhatsApp template that have been approved for use in messaging. So firstly, we have to select a template. As I have already created a template, I'll simply select it. After that, I'll also tell you how you can create a template as well. So firstly, as you can see, this is my template over here. Also, I have given the body fields like body field 1 for name, body field 2 for price, and body field 3 for date, as mentioned here in my template. So firstly, I'll fill all these details over here. Now I have filled all the field of body field 1, body field 2, and body field of 3. As you can see, this is shown here on my template. My name, the price per plate, and also the available dates. Now simply I have to click on this done button like this, and successfully the template is being updated. Now before moving forward, let me tell you how you can create a template. So for that, you have to move towards the left hand side of your screen and click on this template button. Here we have to choose the first option, that is template list. Now we are directed towards this page. Here we can organize template for easy access, scale communication with predefined message, ensuring efficient engagement when initiating conversation. So to create the template, firstly we have to click on this add template button over here in the top right hand side corner. Now we are directed towards this new template page. Here we can easily create a new template that suit our requirement, enabling streamlined and consistent communication with our audience. So firstly we have to select the template category, that is marketing. Here we have to give a name for our template. I have given the name for my template. Also, this field is case sensitive, so we have to write everything in small case. Also, for the space option, we have to give this underscore. Now moving forward, we have to select the language. Here we have to select English UK. Now further, we have this template type. Here we have text, image, video, document, location, carousel, limited time offer, and also catalog. So we'll move forward with text format. Now we have this template header option. Here this field is optional, but you can also provide a header to your template. Now moving forward, we have this template format. Here we have to write the format for our template. As I have written the template format, also to make this field more dynamic, I have used this curly bracket 1, curly bracket 2, and curly bracket 3 over here. And to make my text bold, I have used this asterisk sign over here. As you can see, this will make my text bold. So firstly, I'll enter all the sample values over here for name, price, and date. So like this, successfully we have made this field a dynamic field. Now moving further, we have this template footer option over here. If you want to give a footer for your template, you can give it from here. Now moving forward, we have this interactive action. Here we have call to action, quick replies, and all option, which includes both quick replies and call to action. I want to add a quick reply, so I'll click on this button like this. Similarly like this, if you want to add more quick reply button, you can add more with the help of this button, add quick replies. Now you simply have to submit your template like this. Within just 2 to 3 minutes, your template will be approved. As you can see, my template is being approved. Now I'll again take you back to the broadcast, and here we'll fill the username and phone number over here. Here we have to select the phone number on which we have to send the test message. Now coming to the last option, that is for schedule broadcast. Here we have two options, yes schedule for later and no send instantly. If we click on yes schedule for later button, we can schedule our message to send it later. But today we'll move forward with no send instantly option, which will automatically send our message instantly. Now we have to click on this send test message button like this, and as you can see, test broadcast sent successfully. Now I'll again take you back to my broadcast, and as you can see, I have received the broadcast message like I showed you before. Similarly like this, you can also create this WhatsApp broadcast message for your catering service and share your customer with the details and everything which you want. I hope this video was informative for you.
To connect with us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. For more questions and queries, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and for more pricing related details, you can visit the website mentioned over here. Also, Pabbly Chatflow comes with some free plans, so you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses. So what are you waiting for? Go try it today.